Hello and welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on business automation. In this series, we have been discussing about Microsoft Office packages. In Microsoft Word application, we have discussed how to neatly format text, how to format a text, align a text, how to give numbering, bold, how to give bulletins to a text, everything in our previous videos, how to create a job application, how to create a timetable, how to find and use the find and replace option more effectively in our previous videos. And in this video on the video lecture series on business automation, we will be discussing about the mail merge option. So as we discussed priorly in our introduction video, the mail merge concept is something that is used for sending a mail or sending a letter to n number of people at the same time. Just imagine I'm having a company and I had an interview process. In an interview, I have selected thousands of people. So for all the thousands of people, the job application is same. So in that case, for all the peoples, I'm giving the letter for orientation. So for orientation program, the content is same. The date of orientation, the time of orientation, everything is same. But only thing that would be changed in that letter is that the name of from address will the to address will be get changed, and the greetings line dear, uh, the name would be changed. So that what will be changed, but the rest of the every content would be same. So in this case, it is possible for me to draft the individual letter for all the 1,000 candidates and take print and everything, or send a mail individually. No, it is not at all possible, and it would drain our time and energy. So to save it, we were using the magic of mail merge concept. So let us discuss detailedly in the upcoming slides. So firstly, knowing about what is mail merge. Mail merge consists of combining mails and letters and addressing envelopes using mass mailing object, a form letter from a form letter. So in this mail merge option, we can send n number of mails, or we can at a time we can send a letter or a mail to n number of recipients using this mail merge option. So in this mail merge option, we can either frame a letter or a document, or else we can send an email to n number of recipients at the same time. So it saves our time and energy. So now the first step in mail merge concept is that we should open a Word program and neatly align, draft a letter. Whatever letter we want, we have to neatly draft. So as in write a date, write from address, and to will be changing to different people. So write to and leave the space blankly. Don't write anything, and write your subject line and leave greeting line also blankly. Dear something good would be coming. So leave that blankly and write rest of the things. So what is the first step? Open a Word document, save the Word document, and draft a letter, whereas you have to leave this two space empty and greeting lines also empty. So this is your first step. So the next step is that. So after drafting the letter, the next step that you people have to do is that open an Excel sheet. After opening an Excel sheet, in an Excel sheet, write the two address. Write the heading as prefix, uh, first name, last name, address, and draft how much ever recipients you have. Enter their details and save it. Save the file in whatever drives in your system. And the next third step will be that in the ribbon, can you people see the mailing option? In that mailing option, if you people can click on this mailing option, there would be option called start mail merge option. So if you click it, in the last you will be having the option as step by step mail merge wizard. So click in it. After clicking that, you will this page will be displayed, and in this in your right side there would be a mail merge option popping out, whereas there would be various options: letters, emails, envelopes, labels. So in that, hit as a letter. So click on letter and click on the next option. After clicking the next option, the second step will be moving on in it. There would be an option use current slide. Click on use current slide option and click on select recipient option. After clicking on select recipient option, there will be option use existing list or create a list. Use existing list in the sense you have already created recipient list in an Excel sheet. If you created, click on use existing list and you can select from your system wherever the recipient list is that and click on open. If you people haven't created priorly using Excel sheet, nothing a problem. Click on create new list. There would be a windows opening up. In that also, you can click on all the details, and if you click OK and save the list, and again the same step will be repeating. Again same you need to choose the file from your system and click on open. So this is the next step. So what your people are doing, click on existing list if you have already created a recipient list in Excel. If you have not done, it's okay. Click on create a new list and create a recipient list and save and select it. So that's after selecting, click on the next option below. So the next step after clicking on it, uh, this will be viewing where there would be a pop-up that choose the file. You choose the file and click on OK. After clicking on, all the recipients that you have been typed will be listed below. If you want, if you don't want someone's name, you can remove the tick and click on OK. If you want everything, tick everything and click on OK. And here uh, move on to the next step, draft the letter. You have to click on the next step, and after that the next steps will be continued in the next video. Curiously waiting on to discuss more on this topic in the next coming video. See you all soon. Thank you and happy learning.